Hi, everyone. If you're in the machinery and equipment industry or are planning to sell made in Malaysia equipment to the United States, then this video is not to be missed. We'll explain in detail how to safely and efficiently ship your equipment from Malaysia to your U.S. customers. First, you need to prepare the necessary export documentation, which is the foundation of all steps. You must prepare the following documents: a commercial invoice, a packing list, and an export declaration. Ensure that all information, especially the description, quantity, and value of the goods, is accurate, as this will directly affect the subsequent customs clearance process. Step 2. Find a reliable freight forwarder. For example, our company provides each client with an experienced freight forwarder. Based on your cargo information and timeliness requirements, they will help you select the appropriate shipping company or airline and book space. The third step is to pack and reinforce the goods. Especially for precision machinery, wooden boxes, pallets, or waterproof materials should be used for reinforcement and protection to prevent moisture or damage during transportation. In the fourth step, once all documents and goods are prepared, the freight forwarder will arrange for a truck to transport the goods from your factory or warehouse to the designated terminal warehouse or airport freight terminal. The fifth step is submitting your customs declaration information. At this point, we will submit all export documents to the Malaysian customs on your behalf. Customs will review the documents to ensure the goods are legal and compliant. Only after receiving customs clearance instructions can the goods be loaded.
The sixth step is cargo transportation.
If you choose ocean freight, the goods will be loaded into containers and hoisted onto the vessel. We will provide a bill of lading, which is proof of ownership of the goods. If you choose air freight, we will use an air waybill. These unit prices are very important and need to be kept properly. Of course, as a professional freight forwarder, we will handle all cargo transportation matters for you.
Sea freight usually takes a long time, and you or your customers want to know the location of the goods in real time. At this time, you can track the location of your goods in real time through the tracking number we provide. Or you can directly contact our freight forwarding service specialist and let them provide you with detailed information. The seventh step is to declare the goods at the port. Our freight forwarding partners in the United States will immediately submit all import and customs clearance documents to the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, upon receiving the notification of the goods arriving at the port, so that your goods can be cleared and delivered quickly. The eighth step is to pay customs duties. U.S. Customs will calculate the duties and taxes payable based on the HS code of the goods. These fees are usually paid by the consignee or his designated agent. The specific situation depends on the shipping terms, such as FOB, CIF, or DDU. The ninth step is customs inspection of the goods. Please note that U.S. Customs has the right to inspect any goods. However, your goods may not be inspected, as they are only inspected on a random basis. If your goods are selected, customs clearance time will be extended. Therefore, ensuring that the documents and the description of the goods are completely consistent can reduce the risk of being inspected. The 10th step is cargo delivery. After customs clearance, we will arrange for a driver to pick up the goods at the port or warehouse and deliver them to the final customer delivery address. The last step is for the customer to sign for the goods. When the consignee signs for and confirms that the goods are correct, the entire export process is officially completed. At this point, our service process as a freight forwarder also means a perfect end. When exporting goods from Malaysia to the United States, every step counts. You need a reliable and professional freight forwarding service provider to handle the complexities. TNSLOG Service is a leader in Malaysia's freight forwarding industry, with decades of experience and expertise. If you have any export questions, we offer exclusive free consultation services.